blizzarding. Take 2.
People
It's
behind
pretty
us, I don't
intense.
know what they want me to do. I can't even.
Me and Kayla were
I
just
don't
saying
even
that
know
it's
like where
really
we are
cool.
on the side of the road, like
It's
what
really
lane we're
fun
in.
to drive in snowstorms because they're gonna pass you. It's fine.
Oh, I can actually
Bye-bye.
see better without brights on. Oh, there's the
Yeah.
lions in the road. That's cool.
Thanks, guy. It's really cool when it snows because all rules don't apply anymore.
No, not at all.
So it's a good time because you don't have to drive in the lines.
Drive whatever speed you want.
And
Semis can pass you going 50, which is about what's about to happen, right?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that was really bad. He can't stop, I don't think. Oh Lord have mercy. I hate it. I hate every
I'm
second of
coming
it.
up and I'm like,
That was so fast. Semis can go 90. Rules don't apply.
I'm glad I got over to the side
That
of
was
the
like
road.
the hell's angel of
But I
semis.
think the side of the road is.
So since our first recording, we've had to stop at another gas station to get windshield wiper fluid so that Kayla could see. There's a car out there, which God knows where he's going.
What's going on?
He's going home somewhere. Yep.
1, 2, 3, still storm.
It's still storming. It's kind of calming down, kind of. It's blowing directly at our windshield.
I don't know if it's because I'm going faster, so it looks like it's blowing different.
I hate this.
Or-
Is actually wow. Good
my
God.
goodness,
Good
that
God.
nice.
Oh my Lord. I hate it. I feel like it looks like they're sliding down the hill. Like it doesn't even look like they're driving. It just looks like they're losing
Maybe
control.
they can see better.
Maybe they just want to scare us.
Now he's making the snow like blow weird into me.
This is like my least favorite part of the drive when it's dry because of all the hills.
It's dry.
Like even in the daytime, like when it's dry, it so freaks me out because there's those cliffs on the side of the road, you know? Like it drops off when it's
Oh,
be like.
thanks.
So I'm pre-warning you that slow is good. 40 is great. We like 40.
I don't know what these people are thinking that are passing me because like I'm going 40 right now and I'm like, I don't know, I'm kind of pushing it.
They're like, screw this Ford
Kinda pushing
Escort.
it.
Show them.
My
a thing or
car's
two.
orange, so at least if I get stuck in the snow,
We won't get
somebody's gonna
lost
see me.
because we have the penny car. Not a lot of people have penny cars, except for that one couple that happened to be staying at the Ramada the other day on Valentine's Day, but I thought you were there.
Was me. I'm
Yeah.
like, pretty sure that didn't happen.
And Utah likes to have billboards in the middle of nowhere, just in case.
Yeah, I can't believe how many billboards there were like coming out of Beaver on both sides.
Just in case you have a personal injury from this storm. You can call that number.